Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. Before proceeding with the today's session, let's have a look at the agenda for today. So what are these Python map, filter, reduce? These are Python functions. Map and filter are Python inbuilt functions, whereas in Python 3, reduce function we have to import from function tools. Now let's understand each of these functions with an example one by one. Write program to double the number in list. So let's take the number list first. Numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 double underscore. Let's say we are doubling the numbers. So let's make use of doubles underscore number is equal to. Next, let's make use of for loop here. For I in numbers dot append. We have to append each number in the list with its double number. So how we can double a number? That number into 2. Now let's print this double numbers. So now let's try to run this and check the output. So here you can see that 2, 4, 6 and 8 are getting printed. These are the doubles of numbers we have given, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, can we write this program using map function? Yes, of course we can make changes using map function. Now let's see how we can modify this program using map function. Let's say we will take the same name as doubles underscore number is equal to, and then we'll use map function here. In the previous video, I have said the power of lambda function can be better understood by using that lambda function with other built-in functions. So now map is a built-in function. Let's make use of lambda function here, which we have discussed in the last video. So how we wrote lambda function? Lambda and argument colon expression. So what is our expression? Expression will be x into 2 because we want to double the numbers. After this function, we have to pass this list name. Our list name is numbers. To see the output, we have to print this doubles underscore number. First, let us run and check the output. Then we'll discuss what is this map function and what is its syntax. So let's run this. So now here you can see that we are getting map object at some address. This is not returning a list. To make map function to return a list, what we have to do? In Python 3, map function does not return a list, whereas in Python 2, map function used to return a list. Here it is not returning list. To make this function to return a list, we have to make use of typecasting, that is we have to use list here. Now let's run this. So now you can see that we have got a list which is double of each number in the list. Let's go back to code and understand how map function is working. So first understand what is the syntax of this map function. What I have written here, I have written map. After that I am writing some function. Here we are making use of lambda function. So map and then we have function. So this map function is taking function itself as an argument and iterables. So what is our iterable here? Our iterable is numbers. So this is our iterable here. So what map is doing here? Map is returning the same number of elements that are present in the iterables. So map is not reducing any numbers. It is iterating through the list and then whatever the function we mentioned here, using that function, it is iterating on each element in the list and returning the result. I hope all of you are clear with this. Now let's go to filter function. Let's understand filter function. So as the name itself suggests, it filters out something. So let's write a function. Let's make use of this filter function. Let's say we will take a number variable name as number, and let's say we will take range. Range from -10 to +10 we'll take. I want only the numbers which are less than 0. So let's give variable name as less than 0 is equal to list. Now we have to make use of filter function here. Filter and use lambda function here. Lambda x. So what it should do? It should check whether numbers are less than 0 or not. So x less than 0 and then iterable. Our iterable is number here. Print less than 0. So let's take an underscore here after less to make it more readable. Let's run this and check. So here you can see that it is returning a numbers which are less than 0. These are negative numbers. So what filter is doing here? Filter function is same as map function, but map function returns the same number of elements that are present in iterable, whereas filter function is filtering out some numbers and printing the numbers according to our function condition. So filter function iterates through each element in the list or iterable based upon this condition mentioned in the function. Hope you guys are clear with the difference between map and filter function. So the syntax for filter function is same as map. Now let's understand reduce function here. As I said, reduce is not anymore built-in function in Python 3. So this we need to import from function tools. For that we have to write from function tools import reduce. Now let us take a list of numbers here again. So numbers is equal to, let's say I'll take 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are my numbers. Now I want to find out the product of these numbers. So how I can find out this? I can find out this using for loop. Let's say for I in numbers, product is equal to product into I. So before this, I need to make product as 1 here. So product is equal to 1. Now let's print this product now. Let's run this. So now let's run this and check what output we will get. So here you can see that we have got product of list of numbers, that is 24. Let's go back to code. So here you can check the product of these numbers becomes 24. Now using reduce function, we can make our code in less number of lines as well as easier to write. Let's check that. So this was using for loop. Now let's write using reduce function. So I am importing from function tools reduce. Next what we will do is product is equal to reduce. Let's make use of lambda here. Lambda x comma y. We are taking here two arguments because it is going to multiply I from this, the first element and the second element of the list. So x comma y, expression will be x into y, and then we can pass a list directly here. Now let's print this product. So what should be our output? As I am taking the same numbers, so our output should be 24. Let's check what output we will get. So you can see here we have got 24 as our output. So what this reduce is doing here? Reduce is iterating through all the elements of the iterable object and returning only one result. So now I hope all of you are clear with how to make use of map, filter and reduce functions along with lambda function. Map function returns the same number of elements present in the list, whereas filter function filter out some numbers according to condition we mentioned in the function. Reduce function returns only one result. I hope all of you are now clear with making use of these functions in program. So what is the basic advantage of using these three functions in our program? These functions can be used in place of list comprehension or loops and provide a more elegant and shorthand approach while writing programs. I hope you are clear with the concept we have discussed today. We'll see you again in the next session.
Thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos. Happy learning.
Subscribe to Go Get My Guru channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates.